Hello and welcome to Bridal Business School with me, Kerry I. Today I'm going to give you the 5 hacks to promote your business on a wedding. So number 1 is have your business card pinned with a pin or a bobby pin into your client's hair when you're doing her hair or her makeup, so that anyone around you can see your brand and your business card in her hair. It's a really good hack. You're gonna get lots of people floating around that bride that morning, and it just sets the authority for your business. Your bridal business will stand out, and it'll be really good for the photographers. They'll be able to take those photos of their bride in the morning, have their hair and makeup done, and then your brand is in there. So when you get any photos come through from the bride, you can display that on your socials, and it just sets the scene for what your business is. And then equally, anybody else that comes around, the wedding coordinators, they must see so many different makeup artists from year to year that now they're going to know who you are because it's sat there in your bride's hair. You're going to leave your cards with the venue owner or the coordinator, and it's a really nice hack and a way of getting to know that person. So make a point of finding out who that coordinator is. Has she got a name badge? Find out what her name is and give her some business cards and introduce yourself. There's no harm in very casually just saying, my name is so-and-so and I'm from this business and I have some business cards, and if you have somewhere to leave them, I would love it if you could do that for me. They can only say yes or no, but 9 times out of 10 they'll take those cards for you, and it's your gateway in to getting further and further down the line into those supplier lists. My next hack is to have a brand on your car. So I don't mean wrap the whole car, I mean just have a very small logo somewhere on your car. The amount of times that my car has been in other people's photos, other people turning up on that day know that I'm in the house as such. And the bride doesn't tend to get married till maybe 1 or 2 in the afternoon, so the venue managers quite often are still doing show rounds for other couples on that day, and they will see that your car is a makeup artist or a hairdressing salon, but make sure it aligns with your branding so it's really sharp and looks really professional. And that way that couple who may book that venue know that they use you, or that couple has preferred you, and it gives you another opportunity to promote your business on that day. Make some little thank you bags for your bridal party. So make them a little pot, a lip pot with some lip colour in it so they can top up throughout the day because they're going to eat and drink, and also give them some little mints or some sweets which they can suck on in the ceremony and times when they haven't got any food. And leave them your business card, and on your business card flip them over and make sure it says review, so they know where they can leave a review for your business. Not only can they leave a review, but they can follow you, so you're going to gain additional followers for your business and hopefully some extra reviews. So speak to those brides, the bridal party on the day, and find out, whether they liked your work and what they loved about it, and keep talking about the positive aspects of what you've done from that day and entice them to leave your review. So that's another way of promoting your business. Everybody around you on that morning has the same thing in their mind, that they want to make sure those couples have the best day. And so it's the florists, it's the cake makers, it's people that are doing decor around the venues. Make sure that you swap your business cards with them and network with them. And likewise, we can talk about what they're up to on the day. You can tell them what you know, they can tell you what they know, and you can start to build your relationships with those suppliers as well.